I liked almost, I liked everything about him. But what makes him a really likable person is that he is a very, very down-to-earth person. Like, I have not seen a person with that much humility in my life.
एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए, दिल में मेरे मेहमान बन गए, आपकी तारीफ में क्या कहें, आप हमारी जान बन गए.
It started at such a crucial stage where two things were going important and simultaneously in life, which was very important, and I never knew that it is going to be so beautiful. And the journey with which I have come along, it is really immaculate, interesting and joyful. I have completely lived it. Now this person who is coming in my life, Deepti, as her name conveys, she is actually throwing light everywhere in my thoughts, in my soul, in my spirit. So I'm expecting my life also to be the same, and yes, it is going to be fulfilled.
Everybody gave this remark. Like first time when he met my best friend, she texted me, "यार कहाँ से ढूंढा तूने ये लड़का यार? Awesome है. He's such a nice and yet a very down-to-earth person."
God has created such situations. He has introduced people and events in between where she could help herself, I could help myself, and we both decided to come with each other.
Everybody liked the way he talks, very polite person, and on the contrary, I'm a very loud person. So yeah, that's the best thing about him. And I'll tell you the story. It's a little funny, that's why I'm sharing. When I met him for the first time, I called him Bhaiya. And he did not even mind it, because he was not thinking in that way or whatever. So it's like magical how things turn. Like you fall in love with the most unexpected person. It is that kind of a story. And everybody knows, and I knew very well, that I am not going to get married at all my whole life. And if somebody asked me कि what made you change your mind कि शादी के लिए हाँ कैसे कर दी तुमने, so I have no answer कि मैंने हाँ कैसे कर दी. It was a process, and I think he should be posed with this question कि मैंने हाँ कैसे कर दी. वो ज़्यादा अच्छे से बता पाएंगे. His side of the story will be more interesting. And talking about him as a person, I all the time call him, how can he be this perfect? How can a person be so perfect? Like as a person, हम में सब में कुछ ना कुछ कमियाँ होती हैं. But for me, I see him as just my second half. He completes me. His personality completes me. His behavior completes me. So in all, we two together are a good package, complete package.
And the journey till now, for almost about a year, has been, I don't have any words for it. that's how I can express it. By no words means I can't imagine it. That is how it happened. As wonderful it was, it is going to be more wonderful. I look forward for all the bonding, relation, my understanding, my synchronization, my frequencies with her to be just what we have not thought about life, but we are going to live. We are going to explore together. And by seeing her, I don't feel there is something new going on. Since he had organized, since the God has kept my belief and faiths in place, in the same manner I think that he had made me wait for such a long time, that is 31 years, for this soul, and this soul was waiting for me. And when we come close to each other, it is the feeling we have. We don't at all feel that we were supposed to meet and we have met. It's like all is happening eventually. We have subsequently met, we are subsequently marrying. Somehow I think our souls are already aware that we were to be together.